Hi, I'm Miloš Vukosavljević, Senior Parts and Service Marketing Consultant for Caterpillar Mining Products. I'm here today to talk about Customer Value Agreements, or CVAs, for mining undercarriage. CVAs can be a great help to your operation, so I'd like to answer a few common questions about them. Here's the first one. My CAT dealer already offers product support for my undercarriage equipped machines. What's different with a CVA? The goal of an undercarriage CVA is to tailor your support to your most pressing needs. Undercarriage CVAs are available in 3 different levels: convenience, performance, and confidence. Each level can be customized with services that offer the greatest value to your operation. If you're already satisfied with your dealer support, that's great, but a CVA allows your dealer to add even more value and convenience, plus a range of cost controls, monitoring, and reporting. Ultimately, a CVA provides you with hassle-free undercarriage management. Constant monitoring helps you and your CAT dealer make on-the-run adjustments to optimize undercarriage performance for changing conditions. That helps you get the longest life, best efficiency, and highest uptime, no matter how your operation evolves over time. Enrolling in a CVA also unlocks additional cost-saving opportunities. You can shape your plan to include things like zero upfront cost, payment only for the hours you use, extended undercarriage assurance, guaranteed replacement downtime duration, and more. We love hearing our customers are happy with the service that CAT dealers provide. What we love even more is offering the additional cost savings and ease of use opportunities that a CVA delivers. On to the next question. I just want a quality undercarriage product. Why would I want to pay extra for CVA services? The easy answer is, you may not have to pay anything extra. Enrolling in a CVA can simply mean formalizing the services your dealer offers, but with better performance tracking, so you get better data to add to your management decision-making. If there is an additional upfront cost, the intent is to ultimately save you even more money by improving your total cost of operation. Your undercarriage CVA can include better payment terms or extended life guarantees. Plus, a CVA will help you achieve enhanced product performance and reduced machine downtime, all of which can deliver a solid return on your investment. Convenience CVAs provide easy access to essential parts. They also include a range of dealer support services, including regular inspections, performance reporting, and undercarriage assurance programs. Adding additional services gets you into the performance or confidence levels, which can be tailored to the needs of your operation. And now, the last question. I don't want to be locked into a contract with only one supplier. Does a CVA close out my options? The answer is not at all. Signing a CVA contract doesn't lock you into working only with your CAT dealer. It's simply a formalized commitment by your dealer and Caterpillar to make sure you get the most out of the CAT undercarriage on your CAT machines. Of course, you can choose to opt into exclusivity within your CVA, and if you do, you'll get added benefits, such as financial support, additional on-site resources, or adjusted terms and conditions. The goal behind every undercarriage CVA is to ensure that your CAT undercarriage is performing as expected and that maintenance is done properly and on time. If you want to check up on how we're doing, your CVA provides timely, consistently formatted data. That allows you to compare your CVA with other competitive offerings so you can see the results for yourself. Thanks for your interest in CAT undercarriage CVAs for mining. As always, feel free to ask your dealer about all the available CVA options and find out how they can be customized for your operation.